Hey there, social media enthusiasts. Welcome back to Technologymedia channel. Here we share tips and tricks to help you conquer the digital world. Today, we're diving into a topic that's on everyone's mind: how to go viral on social media. So, if you're ready to boost your online presence and reach millions, let's get started. Don't forget to share this with your friends, and also make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Understand your platform. To go viral on social media, it's crucial to understand the platform you're using. Each platform has its own unique characteristics and audience. Whether it's Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or TikTok, take the time to learn the ins and outs of the platform and tailor your content accordingly. Create shareable content. The key to going viral is creating shareable content. Your content should be unique, entertaining, and valuable to your target audience. Whether it's an informative video, a funny meme, or an inspiring story, aim to evoke emotions and make people want to share it with their friends and followers. Tap into trends and viral challenges. Host, on camera, keep your finger on the pulse of what's trending. Viral challenges, hashtags, and current events can provide an excellent opportunity to create content that resonates with a broader audience. But remember, authenticity is key. Find creative ways to participate in trends while staying true to your brand and voice. Engage with your audience. Building a strong connection with your audience is crucial for going viral. Engage with your followers by responding to comments, asking questions, and encouraging them to share their opinions. Make them feel like they're part of a community, and they'll be more likely to support and share your content. Host, voiceover. Segment 5. Collaborate with influencers. Host, on camera. Collaborating with influencers can amplify your reach and increase the chances of going viral. Look for influencers in your niche who have a loyal following and align with your brand values. Collaborative content can expose your brand to a wider audience and create a buzz around your content. Timing and consistency. Timing is everything when it comes to going viral. Pay attention to peak activity times on your chosen platform and schedule your posts accordingly. Additionally, consistency is key. Regularly posting high-quality content keeps your audience engaged and increases the likelihood of your content gaining momentum. Segment 7. Utilize visual appeal. Host, on camera. Visuals are crucial in capturing attention on social media. Use eye-catching images, videos, and graphics that stand out from the crowd. Invest in high-quality visuals that reflect your brand and make people stop scrolling to take a closer look at your content. Analyze and adapt. Finally, analyze your performance and adapt your strategies. Monitor engagement metrics, such as likes, shares, and comments, to understand what resonates.